Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to pin multiple locations. So as you can see right here, after you log in with your account on Google and everything, you will see your map right here. Now, if I wanted to, see another map and maybe pin multiple locations, I'm gonna just click right here, saved at the top left, and you're gonna see multiple options. Just go ahead and click on maps and just click right here, create map, and it's gonna open up a new page for you, right? So we're gonna just wait up for a few moments right here. And as you can see right here, you will see like a whole new map of the world. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here Canada, for example, right? And in my case, I'm gonna just type Canada, and as you can see right here, this is like the place for me. And as you can see right here at the top left, you can just see untitled map. You can just name it Canada, or whatever it is, and basically hit save right here at the top, and you can just do it with all the new steps. Now what I'm gonna do, if I wanted to point out a location, I can just go ahead right here and go to any location right here on my Canada map. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead, let's have an example right here, the canoe narrows, and I'm gonna just go ahead and zoom in until I find, like right here, this is the canoe lake mixed to school. I'm gonna just click on this one, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and add it right here to map. And as you can see, I added another layer in Canada, which is the location of it, and the same goes for all other location. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.